A very warm welcome to the Trading Mentor. I hope you're well this morning. Going to go into the markets any moment now and discuss investing rather than trading and the difference between the two and understanding why people invest. Firstly, just a quick disclaimer that all the information we give is for educational and informational purposes only. Please do your own research. We do not offer any investment advice at any time, and we are not regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. So, straight into the markets now. This is the US yen. And I just want to cover what investors do as opposed to what traders do. The most important thing, even if you're not an investor, is to understand where the trends are in the long term. Because if you try and trade without understanding where the investors are, where the big money is, then you are going to be on the wrong side of the trade. So this is the US yen. We have other indicators on here, but on the left is the daily chart. We have two moving averages, and the two moving averages confirm the direction. As I say, there's other tools we use, and the members will know what they are. So whenever the daily starts to move down, and we have this kind of crossover, then we're looking at the 4 hour, which is on your right, which it has a super trend bit of software attached to it. And so quite simply, when we have both charts agreeing, i.e. we have a sell here, so we sold at 110.50, just below this mark here, and we'll simply hold this until such times as the price gives up and reverses. But just notice here at the outset that our stop would have been 111.58, 111.60, something like that. And now as the price moves along, the stop gets moved. And that is how the investors work. Quite simple, quite straightforward. Every few days you simply move your stop. That's it. Nothing else to do. The investors are not looking for swing highs or swing lows. These are all eliminated because of the wider stop. So if you want to become an investor and you just want to look at the charts every few days or 10 minutes a day, then this is ideal for you. This type of trading, type of investing is for people with more money in their accounts than usual, because you can put a high number of positions on at this time and just let it go. This works for any kind of instrument, including stocks and shares, oil, gold, anything where there is a chart. So all you're going to do is simply move the stop along the way every few days. That's it. And eventually you'll get stopped out for hopefully a nice profit. Let's look at the euro dollar. This has been going short for some time, so let's see what the investors have been doing here. Let's get both charts up. So notice the left chart, moving average crossing the other moving average, what we call a golden cross. So if you as an investor, for instance, with this advanced software, then you would have sold this at 121.70, 121.67, something like that, back in the 4th of June. And now it's 1.1764. More importantly, have a look where the stop is now. 118.60, so some 300 pips. You'd be about 300 or 400 pips in profit now. And you just simply every few days come in here and move your stop. That's simple. Once you've got the tools, you won't need anything else. And we offer the tools on the website at www.thetradingmentors.com, and it's the Advanced Pro membership. Now, going back to the US yen, as I was showing you this one earlier, Now for traders, this is important to understand. Traders are people who are looking for short-term positions with narrower stops, etc. But you must understand where the trends are in the first place on the daily chart. So this here, for instance, is a swing high. Again, there's other tools we use to confirm that, but this is a swing high and it breaks this short up channel and then it moves back down to the level of support, 109.60. So if you want to be a trader, you have to be more active in the charts. You have to look at charts more often. If you're an investor, you don't look at charts hardly at all. So you've got to work out what type of investor or trader you are. Which one would you prefer? Because that will have an impact on your performance. You could be both. There's no problem with that at all, but expect a lot of positions open. Well, hopefully that's a good lesson to learn. Understanding where the trends are first is vital for everybody, whether you're a trader or investor, and decide whether you are a long-term investor or a trader. If you've got any questions, please come back to me. That's what I'm here for. Have a great day.